Today is a very exciting day. I am packing for a trip to Ireland. When you see this video, we will be just heading back home from our trip, and we are vlogging it, so stay tuned for those videos coming up. It is going to be a 9-day trip in total. 2 days are travel days, and the other 7 days are full days in Ireland. We're flying into Dublin and then taking a bus over to Galway. We're going to be in Galway for 4 nights. Then we're heading back over to Dublin for 3 nights. And we're going to be doing a lot of day trips throughout the 7 days. So it's going to be a really great trip. From what I've researched, the key to packing for Ireland is lots of layers. So I want to have a lot of layers that I can just take on and off as needed. First layer is sweaters. I've got this gray cardigan from H&M. This navy cardigan is also from H&M. This is Quince. This is their Mongolian cashmere cardigan. I love it so much. And then another sweater from Quince. And I have 2 vests that I'm going to be packing. This one is going on the plane with me. I'm just going to wear this over my travel outfit. And then I have this vest from H&M. I have a couple of lighter layers. So I have this thin sweatshirt from H&M, and this denim button-down shirt is Express. And then I have t-shirts. So I have one long sleeve tee. This is from Quince. Then I have 3 short sleeve white t-shirts and a gray t-shirt. For bottoms, I have a pair of black drawstring pants and then 2 pairs of jeans, this lighter wash and then this grayish black color. That is everything for clothes. I will mix and match all of these throughout the trip. I also got some Tide packs to wash some things throughout the trip as needed, so hopefully that will sustain us. I'm trying to plan for a lot of wind and rain, so I have some scarves and some hats to help with that. So I have a couple of silk scarves. These are from Anthropologie. And a couple of cotton lighter scarves. These are from Madewell. I have a brown hat, and this black hat is water resistant. So if it's really pouring down rain, hopefully this will help with that. Last but not least, I have outerwear. So I have 2 jackets I'm bringing. So I have this really pretty green rain jacket. This is from Quince. And then I have this jacket. This is from Zara. That is everything for clothes. It is all fitting in a carry-on. My plan is to only have clothes in the carry-on, and then any toiletries or extras that I need will go into my personal item, which I have a backpack. So let me show you that. For the backpack, I have this beige backpack, which has a lot of room in it. This is where everything else will go. So in the backpack, I have this little pouch for electronics. This has a couple of international plugs that will fit for Ireland, along with a phone charger and some headphones. I have 2 pairs of headphones, one just for the plane and then one for my phone. And I have this travel towel. We are planning to take a dip in the ocean when we're there, so this is for that. Then I have a couple of comfort items for the plane that wrap up pretty small. So this is an inflatable pillow, and let me show you what this looks like. And just like that, it's a nice little side sleeper pillow, so I can sleep just like this. So I'm always in the middle seat, so this will be really nice, somewhere that I can actually lean my head into. And then the other comfort item I have for the plane is this little foot sling. So you would wrap this around the tray table in front of you, and then you would rest your feet on here. Hopefully those will be helpful for a long haul flight. I'll let you know on our travel day if those worked out or not. And then I have this bag that I have fit all of my toiletries and makeup in. So in this bag, I have disposable contacts a little travel deodorant. I have this foundation, toothbrush, and toothpaste. This is an eyeshadow palette. I have setting spray. This is moisturizer. And I love this. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I have a waterproof mascara for all the rain. Concealer. This is eyeliner, milk blush, a brow pencil, a lip liner. I have a little sample size of perfume, some translucent powder and a brush for that, and tweezers. And that is everything I'm bringing. I just try to condense as much as I can, and that fits everything that I need. So that is toiletries. Other than that, in the backpack, I'm not bringing a blow dryer, but I do have this curling iron slash straightener, and this has dual voltage, so I can safely use this internationally. The only other pieces are my passport, and then I have jewelry in here. I'm just planning on wearing this on the plane, but if I do want to store them away, I just have this little pouch for them. But I have these two necklaces, and then I have this bracelet and some earrings to match. So that is everything I am packing with me to Ireland. Like I said, we are vlogging the trip. So our next video will be our travel video to Dublin. So subscribe down below if you want to follow along with that series. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.